was here when you say a celebration of life. Tim legal wife for ebo modern edema mammy akusia se wano. I was here. I think I want some abba, ever talk on Tessa, say. I was a penny confused at the court injunction at Toswa, and lawyer Fati, a bob on Tebeka, say, legal wife for food, natem d. Nanya some ketua, no, and Abertob on Tessa. Emra Quinima Eba Ghana because of a year a celebration of life for Mammy Akusia Sewano. I was here a numu Anna yase omuwie party no wie bibia kwasiada no edwada eno moto omsade fle Quinima say omra ye police headquarters nanso onfebu amu tese ne omota atena wono ma allege ne bi muta aka say Ghana mrani ase iketa hye bribe ne nasefo no onfebu ama ye police fo no wanko fra omofle no di entia no omofle nso nyina so kire say sa injunction na eda sebi party no so and a celebration of life no so na omanfa ebuo amagana mama mrano no mukoko ye no eno na komofre na toto na no entichi omache no abusia sane na nkrofo bi ka se yodobruni na ame ache ne na sefo no yesi da bi injunction na eda sebi celebration of life no so no eno ano mo de ache kwani ima we update fofora eba channel so sa aguso AK Black Media yankwaje nsem no nchiremu no ene afoforo kan MNCC
mami wo si so no wo fie hiafo fie ntino na ehiafo ti ne pepew Metina Kingsby. I started driving when I was 15 years of age. Me started some driving when me 15. Me me 9 me sasa na akon here. Me full flat sexy woman. Very sexy. When you want to state something about someone, the least you can do is to be honest about it. An intro, because my intro doesn't work with me. And into that I'm better app no show me to be a man who say, wow, Phyllis, I want to die. And I would date me a banana. Come and talk here. Because me see so let me Jimmy who the fucking. Now me Jimmy who the fucking. I was 20. This was the first property I was doing. I'm a summon. A up and down store. Melinda, I made it 20. 20. That time, now would she and I'm a member super scared bedid. Melinda, me away at the age of 23. That time, no, now would she member so super scared bedid. I was sight. I was 24. That was the next property. You were still living in a single room that a man has placed you in. I will never share compound or so. What do you thought? What's it then? Oh, my pesa. So yeah, your boss wabo. Now I had Baby. Melinda the champion. Melinda, I Christmas time. Abraham Amici, me na yanso yet fie. Na ya papa ma ya big place, big company you share pictures. This is my uncle. She was married to my friend and they have 2 kids. But Niama never married. They had 2 kids. She had 4 children with Niama. Oh, can the last man na say the old man not in the Bible children pacho. Old one na wo can na say they are within the Bible children. They are caught on the map me no na can ma won. Or na wo can na pacho menti ase. That is my dad and his brother. Well, that time the one Belinda. Na me fear na wana nkrofo be TV wo. Omo ba na twetwetwe no bia nwumre bia na me bu afum papa na me maame. Na nkrofo de e konwa be salai omo be TV. Na papa e ko shatter. Koshater.
I'm sure. Good morning.
Belinda, this is my first car.
Auntie Alberta.
Yes, darling.
Good morning.
Good morning, darling. I feel the na walk say onimeno.
Auntie Alberta, but obichia. Yes.
Mrs. Tanum, so and why you busy, Stano?
Me papa see you, but Mama Dano.
Auntie Alberta.
In the 90s.
Auntie Alberta.
You know, honestly,
You see, you don't own anyone's explanation.
Yes, you don't.
That's a forget one more. You did a great job. You did a good job. Just forget them.
But
I know what
Debbie, when I Angel, wait, and I be posting a video me page. You are watching Nigeria, ni bi kunua Nashme. Obet na hosan to mano, ono no mo ton amano. Ono no obejiji
Nashme.
Me didn't expose ba ye odwane free muso on kan wi mu. They are always
better. Some of us we respect you a lot. Manager explain you. You did a great job.
Better. Only baby. Let's see America say if you know nie. Enra o kasa no. Me baby J life lo so say. That's about to cry kase. I better about to cry don gindi. Me a psychologist. I can read from.
Also no on person girl.
Me a psychologist. Sabato cry na ocean faith na or drop for cry life lesson. And I say where they better me confront number. Omra me na no to me but how say can go and face that because when the lady was talking, you know. I say if she has all this information here, and genuine and they authentic, but they about long time.
Exactly. And they about long time.
Not the kind of crown or trust because when she started say well worry 20 years on any call it's a poolside or some been as other number commander that the pen who so chantro.
All the lies.
Sister better. When you be in run people because for crash that engineer channel boy metro.
No, you have to tell her
I think there's someone on and now your face. And now you so filter. She doesn't deserve you.
What's the mean you so filter? Me patcho me
oh, deserve attention.
She doesn't deserve your attention. I'm proud. Me say I want to meet you, but penny ya kwaba. And then I was humiliating.
Belinda,
there's no filter here.
Maybe you are beautiful. Filter there.
I do your way. I do the pad, then I won't find you. Then I won't hide channel.
You are even beautiful without filter. Me the man use filter.
Then be a me can't send you. We are some one bob.
Of course, she gave her showdown.
Me say the whole you don't know. If she has all this information,
mommy, this girl didn't let me rest in my own house. What's my Facebook page? Help me. They've taken my children. My friend and me jealousy. Me channel the onye. And say, "Oban men in Kawe." And then I say, at the age of 12, now Oban started doing just like you. But never can say me boy Belinda. Me say Obeka biya bodia o. What's me say me person me friend yama nankasa. The family members. Francisca the only after or Thierry with Niaman and Crawford. Belinda Niama didn't. He still doesn't have a home. Who crowd dine Western Wook once and Belinda, Mammy, and that is one thing. The next thing I'm bringing to Germany, I'm coming to report to you. And then Cran Mama pay DNA because in Crano, and Mamma now to Mama, who gave me information in that member too. And crying yet, and Mamma and Bama now talk Cranama, saying your Bama. Now the my Beman and Crata, and Beman now back at them so 15,000 at that time. Emma would be as I say, Niama Jimmy 4, one to me and Yashi, one Babuawa Brabum, or how or do by Germany crown I feed you. Belinda, expose is starting. I'm going to tell you a story. Me should Yaman and Cassami person, one Cassaba Becassa.
Auntie Alberta, your work can it
oh yeah.
You pass on more attention. You also
I know that.
Two more like Rebecca said, okay, forget it.
Yes, so I'm a friend, you need me some become a life story. And I may share Yamanakasa, remember on Rankasan Swabekasa. And
Yamanakasa, why? But for now, leave them.
I was so near Manocra no bed or dinner ni papa.
Mammy,
I
wedding and
was so chosso.
obedient any. But I will, because I say all bragging or up no so no. I will just expose a lifestyle. That's exactly how I'm here. Not because I said
Oh yeah, me papa. Oh yeah, for too much for them. Please stop.
sure.
Because the way they don't deserve your attention.
Say obedience is so abrabomo. And you might be ohio, and you might be ohio.
Nyakasa bebre. Ehun
So all kasa obi betina nchiaka oh yeah you are bobro debi or more braye. Uba kra na be prostitution na mama enye bra. Me kan kira bra bia so nko prostitution. Me ma no na gisika wo. Ma dwene no ne ma na hye metiri no. Me ma no ena gisika. Sika no so amaje wo no kra no. Wo kra be su to count story po enye yi. Wo count story about your meva wo count story a enye yi. Maybe card ya cho me mani mbodi. But me mana kasam. Me mani mbodi. Sure, if you want my lifestyle, my story, make me amo enkrofo a minimum from childhood. I be na happy so. I come a story actual people from my area, people from my school. Mami, me patrol me mbodi. Membodi me say membodi me bisa wasemba membodi asebe si na every week be no bre me sika kakra ko chia no say sika no de ma me da ko be den
e wa Ghana
otonsa kakra ka company kase pa emoni din na o say sika no de ma me by weekly akakra kan nyina no 5,000 every week 5,000 but you know say wa ma me sika de bebrebe da che obeya ye den
so that is gala obete ka se bibi
but how long na no church sa sika no for
say yo ko ba ye na o ma ka bi pa na
yes I talk so che me okay. But that's it. Now me person me no. Me na ya body e be ya asem. Rebecca say to you, darling, thank you.
Okay.
Mommy, say a car between me and you. Every car I've ever held, and when I talk about cars, a lot since I was 15. I never spent a kobo, a dime on any of those cars. And no man will come up here and say, "Semeni I better die na me man a car debi." And member bunkrofua a ma or more value or more check. And it's I am met now pressure me catch the young girls and say, and you could be on 9 minutes, my bema na be you. The more the man understands, so be me be intimate no na no or yen the new man tempt them to give you more money. Men konko enko abema only baby to not me akotena the family compound house so na ma betina up wish na me brag so oh and ma worry obi kura me friend across so kobo ne so obeji ne kunu be ma no nya adwuma na note me ma me compound house so ono na kanana
Anta better me patrol eyanko yanim se case na sisei
me patrol bebre ma men ka legal a year woman sure so mo kai say Madam Emma obeye party na party no obeye no oba Ghana no na yaka kire ebusuafo ne se mo bi anye party
yes
na ye the court documentation abasa we party a sebe e be ma contempt because no more interlocutory injunction atu bibia so interlocutory injunction simply means say won't me nya hwe e wo ho na ya na enkrofo enti asem bi ase ona na obi ka say adenti na kosia say wa de ya nkyem me pa cho say wo ba ko wi ade na wo ba no ko wi ade na na danfo ne ko yo oba che wo ba na da we che na danfo ne be
that's all bam
Debbie
ona na danfo
che
omo no nya so ko wi ade no
me ba no da
wan ka sa wo ba okay
me say sa wo ba ko wi ade No, na down for Korea, dear. Oba, bet you one ya.
Bet you not down.
Oba, yes, why Oba?
I'll bet you not down.
One day. Now down for now, count on winning the other day.
Bet you know, yeah.
Ah, we should be a mechanic. Say that Lumba case, you won't say MBA with me. I remember what look stupid I'm on for. That's the only thing this case has done. This case has really exposed, say, Ghana educational system needs a lot of reform. I expose, say, a member had to maybe be wabrabum. And you know, a man cast out in a year or so. Or be a corn one about to. I could just say what case. Uba. Mostly we chat I could just say one crop na board double in crop one. You can tell say even people go through problem power healing. You could tell because when a person heals they don't hold any pains. And half of the people fighting no and another fight for baby. Enyo dia ntu ba ye na ababa your party de wa your party ewie woko enye problem woko na afie na party na that time that she was live osi obi entime nya no hwe
Okay.
Ghana de emra bi enu anu ani sika utua bribe abeko free enti party ni de obeye na Timbia so se emra eboba ya no mo problem be use as a scapegoat.
Yes.
Ya no omo probia wa block me now. Oh shit. Share a manso a message new. Wa block me now on Facebook. She was no actually. How are you? Please can you talk to me? I really like you. And I know I'm blocking me.
Pacho, auntie Abeta me pacho. Na echena ya cheno no. Na ya sa part nti ne ya chena na sa ne nsam obeka o social media nti na me ya cheno. For
Odobintina injunction. Enti na ya cheno because so omo ye party wie ye no. And a court to catch and say, on your day, uncle, no go in a police station, a friend of police station, one go.
One call, okay. Yes, I want to respect, cry.
I'm of fine friend be one call because no police say.
I want to mean okay.
Since 2011, and I get we started watching me. There wasn't one or two my responding. Oh, I'm fine. Sorry, I'm not looking for friends. I already have my friends. No, I bet you.
We natural enrano. Na me feel say in court injunction there were but other matters may also be part of the arrest. Was there maybe on muye maybe or threat or the bruni say kidnap no.
She's going to go through all of that because all of those videos, lawyers.
Yeah, because the videos
what is
going to say is because of the injunction. No, they said no more.
It's not just the injunction. If we see a chiwa, every other case that is pending will come to life. Anything I may me dear ko kan. Otna app no to say I'm say me prostitution baby. And you know, it's so approval.
Pacho we the anti blender pacho mi ntwa no sene ana mo bisa no anopaye na obesi mi twam wa app no so ana mi kodru omo platform ni baby omo say ni omo kan say omo say ono ekwene ma ne say odobroni na ekun that lumba ni life na no ye no nsem na no kan na omo afre ni say omra meyi omfa na evidence na e kire say oni na waku papa no omfa mra of evidence nemra na fe omuhu The next step on taking so no more inviting no.
Mommy, that because she had been invited. So she had you be invited, she's been arrested.
Oh, aha. Nti be you want enough evidence na my na
So the first one is say courts emambra na wo buso eno na fine ye de be ma no eno de obetua no kosoro ba so obetua eno no is subject to either fine, payment, prison, and that's an immediate fine and prison.
Also, I'm more jiska.
Depending on the old transfers, see, I can't say old transfers. I'll call court. So please, Nichu, I must say you are under arrest for so offense. Anything you say here can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you don't have one, the state would appoint one to you. You have a right to a phone call, and they would explain all of your rights to you. The first right, no more explaining, simply means to say abai eso mu a ensam bia waka bia ya twa to nyina ebebo baba ensam na waka no ebi ne sen mpacho mbebo nyina bia ma mo say na wetie se sensem we ye kokoto a mo hwe be kosi sen mo amodo masotie bia na afi no mo obi kaye judge for yourself
no say say oko as then oko and I'll say oko with the group, yeah, oko with the group no
no, she's claiming here that Odoboni is the one that confessed.
The company name is Daddy Lumba's band. Daddy
Lumba doesn't have any band. There's no company called Daddy Lumba's band
as a backing vocalist because Otonyum a backing Daddy Lumba also a singer.
Odoboni no.
A backing vocalist,
Obi Edene Yiri Tukwain. Then you comfortably come on this app and smears the person with nonsense. Say, on her immigrational document, while she was traveling, she had stated that she was a vocalist, a backing singer. When this girl is carrying a baby, she's holding Lumba, she's holding her other bags and carrying all the other children. Because Odoboni did not travel with that Lumba when they met initially. They started traveling while she had her kids. And in the video, be able to Lumba Nambia, me pacho, Sameboa, na wakana, kwanaye den. Nedinachi. And to be on no one in the kunu, and in the Germanokrapa pebinanam. Na wakwaka say we a vocalist, and to this vocalist part, she still got to prove it. Exactly which immigration ebe kachire no. So Odoboni we vocalist yanko. Edieni. Musumo recording your man bremi aya munya sansan phone. Hey yawo. Wife's an emma.
Bobo bia na ye kukura papa.
Neighbor.
Madam, but the same day you may show us. Omukwa register radio station. My guy was with that Lumba.
Her guy was with that Lumba, so she has to prove which guy in court.
They did everything together.
The guy and the Lumba. So the Lumba and the guy have to prove it. And the Lumba is dead. So the guy must come out.
No, can't come. See here, he was not a monk. Come on.
Had education, yeah, that
Lumba money be a radio or register radio station. Kojo entry.
Kojo entry is not part of that Lumba's radio station. So she's got all these facts. In since our factory, I saw the Lumba.
Ebenya permit no. If free Kojo entry ne boa no. No, be a radio station so or the BBS and the excellence. Into no and no money.
Me pacho say
what day ya day.
I saw the BBS and the excellence. Pacho why na the excellent. Has she confirmed that she say why ex now and confirm ye?
Radio station.
I'll confirm.
Na fe abo mo ni atase na it say wo no ma make us we twa ni so no and no man na wutris na fe no unim dia wo
Asem pa no na ka no mo nka ya so mo nim ne kore no mo nim pa ka no mo nka
Okay, Obia. Or no, or didn't see can invest it. See, dying. Emma, you could be a radio station.
Now, a friend access you
no more disrespecting.
And you know, baby, my boy say 1 year scan when she
employees, like I employ them now.
Oh no, we didn't promise. I know what I
say. Girl, no, Priscilla, no, or the brother. Or yeah, will war, me ex Nasia, the confusion too, or the papa and that lumber.
The batch of Franco was saying ex.
And at the end of the day, no, or the brother. Or no, so, and who say, 1 year, papa no, because not a year, I'm a papa Pamonesia, but it's a year, no Pamono. And see, the papa and say, or Shenny, operator Priscilla,
na that number son we free Priscilla ho
father do enti Priscilla na started to no so o sisi na no mo yi enti o started to wi papa sika sika betu fi o se papa o no ko bank
me pacho na that the fear honom no aya na obi ti honom a de ekoso wo woni ododo mu ntam no aya no wo na se fi obi ante ho ana
Oh, I can't Jimmy for no. I don't know na so good animals.
aha na woni se
me kan se bi honom a wotena so na wotena ho a chese it make sense yeah
you won't say they won't so to pine wo Ghana na o chewa abrochira I'll be honest with you. I left Ghana in 2001, early 2001. Now, my first time of traveling out of Ghana was in 1996. Nana me nyama me call me ban UK. Me ba penny no. So I gave that to her in the UK. Nah. Me koko wo me ba no ba ye no. Me ba no. Na dem sama kwa abrochira me bent no. Na me feel say me a champion. Sometimes one say we could see me now to kwan na wo ba for ya no when you should say be ma free ba no e what the champion area yeah now to be say be ma free ba no just say it's the best area because if you can listen to them omo timi ka say Queen Emma ka say Ghana judges no mo yakonfo me boy dem so actually in one of her audio she said to say Ghana, Mrani Ghana.
And the first one.
Mrani Ghana. Ghana, a corrupt country. And no muchi ACC Akushia say wah. And a Ghana Mrani ho. And you all these defamational things. No, yeah. This is why Ghana wants to prove say there are laws. Yes. Also, judges not just so in the I want that comment. She has to go and prove everything. Me that's not up with to them be a me me. I will never say allergic, me patrol. Say uka say allergic. You have to come and prove it. But who's citing the panel work out some them wujina show work you don't have the person. Anything I make her say, I could just say, wow, no one drugs. The find car was so fair, and yet find a car in battle. Find a book keys is there. I could just say, what kind of drugs now? Nick, your friend could put papa, your chair, I could just say, what to prison. And what did you see kind of talk Germany dining near man? Freboma. And you know, what you know, one can say alleged to. But now, I'm sure you can say, don't say alleged. Because alleged is subject to scrutiny and proving. So.
Omo says so what can allege now won't mean yes because they allege at also.
No, they don't understand. Omo say allege no they run they run with that. You have to cite the person. Enti time a ye ba ya na ye life na omo ka say na kusia say we drugs me kan say mo ngbo nipa na okan ye den. Ni din na mo ka say because she said that and from Poma said Mo life so na mo ka sa ko se wa wakoton drugs me ya chena kotumu. Mo life so na mo san so ka say dan na wo Germany no ne ba koku papa de ton ma no. Mo life so na mo san so ka say Priscilla ne e kan say woman father omo de ade abodo broni tim. Tesia woman father his charges to it because Emma had stated say Roman father and on your dobroni damalumba be chi wo dem and on me de ade bo nti ma na dwene mu kura pai go hey operator
Bakwa abeta
ade bo nti say
bakwa nra meti ye kwa do so dobroni nyimu. What's your wakoye DNC ni senate me mentor be wo. Everybody
Aye, almost on him 5 months. Almost on him 5 months.
Guy be our London. Guy be our London or
Aye.
wakoye
So okay, no kwapa. Omo who months no kra wo. Almost 5 months why?
me pa cho say oye ya so to be prove and so be prove.
so prove.
You have to prove it.
Na nra onim ne omoka ensem de say ne nyina ye ka bi ene say yi odoboni crofo so make ka ensem na Frida na to ho no bodio say lumba kotida so lumba ye say na don de enkoche no ana don de enkoche
Obi wa han mo okenkan ya de ana
The more increasing host families across the country means you can't actually.
mbajo obi wa okenkan ya de ana na me ma obi na search my na kan ana men kan
A lot of
that's why.
ana enja do business many
work to get to that stage. Yeah, so I got you.
papa bi ya menim no tembia no apem me glasses asie
akra do say omo ka say ebusua no kra mo aye omo
Come on, Aban Adua, on the host.
Me pamucho anopa we abusiafo me pamucho anopa we oba ti wa life so na me te ase ho wo ma ye wo mo adwen se yasinti no wo mo senti no wo se wo mo call wo se wo mo di petition e call American wo mo di call American embassy Israel
American embassy me ba wa no mo pede ho
na di say you say wo mo de mama Frida wo mo percent no in some mama Frida e kan ni enia no wo mo call report
catch no mo pede mo Frida number na mo police for get me after because Frida has document
okay it's you.
Here's the precise breakdown maybe kind of as slow as possible. Number one, what alleged actually means. Alleged simply means a claim or accusation that has not been proven yet, but has been made by someone. Commonly through speaking, and these phrases is mostly used by lawyers. Because lawyer no one would when you befa so be den obetwitwa ne ho afri sa alleged no. Okay, also nim eboa. It's commonly used in media and legal context to avoid stating something as a fact. But when you are going through a court proceedings, if you bring a case, the prosecutor or any other person for that matter in the court must eventually ask you to prove the allegation with evidence. But I'll say ask you to prove the allegation with evidence. Okay. Outside the court, very important. You can say allege, but that does not protect you if your claim is false and harms someone's reputation. In places like Germany, Norway, Finland, some parts of Africa that takes their laws very serious. In all of Europe, you cannot use the words alleged without proper proof, because that is subject to a criminal offense. Any word you state without a proof that defames somebody, places somebody under the subject of insult or abuse. Any word you state that you do not have concrete evidence for, that is always an alleged statement. which legally must be proven. So when you come and you state to say 99.99999 alleged,
You have to prove it.
that is subject to proving. But when you come here and you say Alberta stated, right now you've removed yourself from any legal battle. That may come with that statement Alberta made, with that statement the lawyer made. I'm a Canadian citizen, first of all. Secondly, my father ensured, say, I understand English and can express myself freely in the English language. I promise you, every alleged, he said. Alleged outside of court is very dangerous because how many times a girl will go to bring in
So many times.
and say, see, I don't know, we actually, yeah, and some boom.
Yeah.
Actually, I was share a bank kuku, some Crawford, your mudia wakika. What do you think is going to happen?
Videos beko bebre beko.
Oh, I have a video. Not a semi prostitution.
Until something, you're pressing us. Why you what happened was, now I'd say, Papa ho, and I almost chrono tone so, and my pam on free fee so you come for, we are sick. See a pam on free fee and I call back to Kumasi. So call Kumasi no. Because now, then I miss a fee, Nanema, Mitimuno. If you know, Papa, I miss a
hey, life is restricted for some audience.
Almost me removing Alberta, meaning you don't know Obono. Also, not the chair, a uniform. So, almost me removing no. My bed, much as I grab him. But Mr. Bushia for Mumbo screen is so crowd, ain't see I no crack on. Mumbo screen is so, Mumbo screen is so. Mumbo screen is I didn't see him. We are better still say.
I'm so much a better life no.
Mommy, may I give me my life? Say your bebo. TikTok can understand. Whether we play these audios or not, these audios are evidence that are presented already. They've been presented. It's not like we are now going to present them. So you removing them off the internet doesn't add any value to you.
No.
Do you understand? So whatever it is that you're doing, you can report from morning till evening, from sunshine to sundown. Emma, her passport has been taken by the immigration. Until the court process ends, Emma is not coming out anywhere. And nobody can help her with that. Because we are foreigner. Now Africa. Thank you. You are still a foreigner, even though you were born in Ghana. Me saw my life. The first thing they start doing is they start reporting. Well, go school as how because we're the no. See, most of you are scared of the truth. You don't want the truth. You don't want to hear the truth. And when people are so bold in I'll come on your life, regardless of who you are. And when I come on your life, it's not about fighting because and that's about to happen. And you know, when I call report to and power of attorney one day, man, first of all, who a lawyer on my power of attorney, me pacho. A lawyer represents a person legally in court. When you have a lawyer, you can give a power of attorney to someone to represent you together with a lawyer to say, Mimi case here what court you say, Mimi Ghana. Enti ni mama obi power of attorney bi obetimi akotena court to ama me. Lawyer na ekwa na okọ. But then if you have a good lawyer like the one I have now, he will go to court for you. Because he knows say wo de wo kasa ye no kre. So wo ma lawyer ju de atembia na oduachi lawyer kwisi wo hemfa. Wajane your buy is why you charge me or no so right now they need to find another lawyer because lawyer the charge is not the man when no he had to pay by himself and he got a strike on his license the legal license because of more and I'm catching any profo any when there's a legal case in Ghana regardless of how you mame a big trouble a big trouble because as some courtwa ye nim minimum paying for emrano ya hihye na dawo enti sa judge people be bu asam no wembu ni here. This is the reason why it's here. There's an appeal court, there's a lower court, there's a higher court, there's an appeal court, then there's Supreme Court. So on the court process no so who come judge be posika nessa judge no edi wasem ma wo nessa asam no do echira mame nipa de kwa appeal na nipa no cra evidence say the evidence here ya shada aboa no amu yi na mutumi yi de mu yi nyina ya boa no meboa mo so mo post more de mo yi nyina de be google me page amamo me so de me ya de say ena makabi no some de nyina go me page ho. Education is paramount for everybody. So mami eno papa sebi no misika wonyini ya oba abrochire so what dwene no nyansa to make a sure say let me upgrade myself. That is Emma. Cindy Emma Kumsin. That's her full name. Your brain should let you know say and some people why you can't to nipa so because say nipa no what report to no way you be at say why you some you be di wasem na chia to say me a me dwuma bi edi ya obi na ateme atene wo hwe me ya maame me di wasem na chia me be tu kwan me tia me nisike me fa phone ma start harass me tenant. Where's my money? Give me my money. I need my money. Enye misika wo chia rent me gide kudin kwase asem. So you see, there are people that would have your time to ensure, say, you get the punishment that you deserve. And when it comes to Belinda case, because I'm going to go to Germany, I have all of her details, and I'm going to go so that she can actually prove everything she said. Plus, the manner or tone document ma and meme krata send a bayon benyan krata or digisikano. Me, I don't record people like I always say. I need to let them be a mekase mebo yes one kanokura because my generation yeah recording crofo yeah prase for so generation when the time be ana me record no and I'm record and I'm no kasa me record we never used to do that and we will still never do that. Never. The reason in here, my best friend Angel or pay baby Janify when I came into the case is because she knows me too well. When I start something, I would go with you throughout the end. Oh, I love that song. Because it's here the Emma no. Ancient of days, my trust is in you. Mommy, and one in the Aberton no. Good morning, darling. And one in you might say something to know because says here the abane the ayaka. Some more reports, some more yet thing. At the end of the day, every alleged statement that degraded Odobroni, that degraded Roman father, that degraded every other thing must come to pass.
Stop better.
Yes, ma'am.
Why the address you know? I say excellence no say excellence na
me ba cha nya omumi enu nyina de odo mechi onu ni tikura gina won de mehu ye o ton na de wo krom I don't know who you say me minimum crofo bebre wa app we so I don't say me ba hanu a e bi ana case bi aba and I just want to explain the legal implications and the legal aspects of it me be come asem wi ana
fear rambo yeah fear rambo
o say asante queen o ananyo no
Excellency Fia Rambo.
I don't think said they look alike. Ashanti Queen does not look this way.
His Majesty, say his dear baby.
I draw the Nitika Krakana 20 na umu. I draw Nitika Krakana fio.
Original.
I love you too. Okay, so piano. What the Anton, what the other DH?
Well, one that you know.
Or Tawadi, what? Or no, ye Juma or Sansu ye Juma or Apiso. So on to me patch or some money do I need.
Yeah, a hard-working girl.
Yeah, or yen Juma. And to obey my life, be a limit to me. I will not market too many. Just say, will be a can some more background. Life is short. You using allergy doesn't mean say you won't come and explain it. Rather than tag the person that said those things and take yourself out of legal battles. Me metana app you should the enka say na allergy and allegedly na 99 mukura won how am serious no we say 99.99999 me pamato e allergy me pamato mama ye fa no nka ho e allergy. Allergy means subject to problem. Me kwa ka sam to so na se asamono a me kana yentro na ma wulu sika wo baabi e ma wani gu ase wo baabi a me pa atwa metimi ko charge o for defamation. Obi person kan ya dia na pa we ya na obi person kan ya dia
Why the queen can say answer better a team no me kind wadi a team no.
oh Jesus. Obi person
Bi musa ya num tia na ya bro fo ba ya num tia ya bro fo ma.
Ka odi mas be sembe. Enura wo free page ne so no. Na lady baako oba ni bu fu sabato. Ada sabato ma oba life ne so kra. Ada ma oba life na sabato say debut na me pe na no asem. Say on na Oma ye che year na na enso wa be confirm me na be speak am to say wa confirm me dey na was say wa confirm am say oba na no be confirm me bubusa no ni pay say anye bia elu mabusu ani na mo say na wa confirm me dey enu ade enye izu. Oh,
it's hard to say that. Listen, but they cannot hear. So, this is the defamation. Defamation in Ghana is taken seriously, but it's handled primarily as a civil matter, not criminal in most cases. Here's a clear, practical breakdown of the legal implication. What counts as defamation in Ghana? Defamation occurs when you publicly or communicate a false statement about another person with others. These statements, one way or the other, can harm the reputation of this person in the eyes of reasonable people. There are two forms of defamation. The libel, written or public, example, WhatsApp, Facebook, letters, TikTok. And then there's the slander. The slander is different. Slander, they say, wabet na hanum. Nanka maka so, abeta dia we koshiniu. Oh, wanyanya, onishu bambia. Abeta nishu.
Abeta, no mo so mo ko check on it, Danny.
Oh, okay, and I'm back to them na mache.
I was some coach check on it.
Na mache. And in slander, no, you don't get any punishment too. A lot of what Odo Brunico for no is insulting back. Will be dear them back.
Yes, I'm on job. Why? Only about time.
I hope saying it tenant. So will be a do at them. Hey, you can call
Adra. This I better call life for us. No, I'm not that show with you, so no, I'm actually with you. It's an open so money na dinner them.
Money abrepa o money abrepa ano pɛ me do one my task here no mati o mo na twam oh money abre e fe de kwase o mo se mo de o mo ko be back off because o mo se busia na kra mmoa o mo busia na is slow dodo depression na ye mo depression na ye
mo some chechi odobeni crofori bi na fa omu hia family bia support because mremo no omu hia na meka say u hia family wo ko chi back na ko say u hia family u so ko chi obi de na ko u ko chi na ko say family the cross support you know omu kra mo me jina kasa na afi ba ku say Frida cancer na obi busa say na Frida say okay mo record here ya record wow also mo no wo kasa mo take
na umbrambe kasa because say me you already know my lifestyle say bibi am pay everyday. So Belinda Niama ekotena life say onu wo Niama aware ewo Tantra Hills na me Alberta Viala onyem na me buy na beji wo Niama efi onu Belinda nsem.
No way.
Belinda stated say me beji wo Niama ne
No time na me no way.
meaning but that was what Belinda had stated on live. And Robertina on say.
Maybe I'm drunk one Belinda. She always like to destroy.
Tell me the owner worry Belinda.
Come and send the bread. But me person message also. The guy called me and said Belinda, I better life or you
and you are better.
Also person
I say Belinda so ye sike ni mapa wono wo sika chese sike bu so.
How are you ba?
Minimum niama wona akọ Belinda. And I make say the Niama I know when I knew Niama you were nowhere. Oh yeah, and yet Belinda no Lily Adamfo. Was she not Lily's friend, Niama? Wasn't it because of Belinda I left you? Thank you. Belinda say now what Tantra Hills, what dying what Tantra Hills na. One or no what one on him and I may be mu as a husband snatcher. And na me abeta viale me be mu as husband snatcher.
So Tantra. On you. She thought said because I keep quiet. It's because of my children. I don't like to disgrace myself online.
No, but hey, also Belinda say only my lifestyle na me prostitution na. Me buy ye and na we ni ku na me baba je wo.
No, one prostitution. It's not because I'm not with them. I really don't like those things.
Nyame. Me dia una worry.
I'm begging you.
And I didn't got now me mu fie compound house. Belinda so see mansions. Na ni we fi so wa be frame say the baje on ya je no. Enti no me mo no. Na wa ka say onko na me konko boa no nko je de ba no. Ni we fi so be ka kire me say nkwada me enu no so no oton mu e no dunye sika ko si dan wo Ghana. Belinda se bi Alberta Viala. My baba ji ono which is you Niama. Ni kunu wu Niama. E fi no Belinda ho. A onye mu ana me ba ni fie.
Ade ana wo.
Mentia say. Mentia say Niama. Since you are the one that had a child with her, since you are
the number.
Okay.
I want it.
Me pacho.
Ade ana wo.
The problem there
a mobile money vendor, who is a mobile money. I think so.
Please keep quiet. Belinda's ex-husband, I'm Nene Kassan. Why? Onim said more life. Namukrabu Jendo. Ah, Niama. Ain't it the man?
Yeah, that I regretted.
Niama, me.
So, I'm saying I never when they get what they want.
Yeah.
Like nobody will help.
I know.
Like nobody.
I know.
Will help.
Me, the part where I was looking for your number for. Or sing you na
YouTube. Oh yeah.
Belinda sing you nyama na de ne ba brochire. Ah, debi me ba nyama enye wo na Belinda nyem yansa na. Ah, enye Belinda na de ne kwatena wo ma memo efi o not Kaneshi. Enye onu anasam na ye kai. His Royal Majesty no. Ya na your friend sa no.
One thing
Hey.
One thing sana you say your friend.
Well, sana your friend no nyama we ex-wife na na wo nkoda phone. Ah, wa tom ye nu ama.
One thing I say own him tantra oba and the end to pretend try and call me man.
But I wanted to ask a question. When I knew you, did you know Belinda?
There was no Belinda.
When I knew you, didn't know Belinda?
I don't know.
Hey, as I'm not critical, Belinda say you were married to her and you lived at Tantra Hills.
I remember on my birthday. Was it 18 years birthday that day? When you came with Fati and your sibling. That was the day. That was the first time Belinda came to the house.
And she came with Lily, yes or no?
No, she didn't come with Lily.
Who did she come with?
She came alone.
Okay, and then what happened?
I gave her the direction and she came.
But how did you get to know Belinda? Because if I remember correctly, we were friends. So how did you get to know?
She's in the same school with
Lily.
She's in the same school with Lily.
Okay, so now what happened?
Classmate.
What happened after that?
So it's okay. I know you're online. You want me to say things.
I don't want you to say things, Nyama.
I'm just tired of Belinda.
Nyama, you know me very well. I don't want you to. No, Nyama, you know me very well. I don't want you to say things. I want you to state the truth. Because Belinda sat on live and said she was married. No, Nyama trying.
Everything she's doing is a disgrace to my children.
Okay.
Not me.
Okay, which is fine. But Nyama, but me, my party said Belinda ne betina life no so no can say. Or no, Belinda is married to you, Nyama. And me, I came in as a husband snatcher.
I have no share.
I came in as a husband snatcher on him. And I'm a badge. Every Belinda in sem. Me pato, when I knew you, did you know Belinda?
The time we were together.
And you know, Belinda one wearing a brand out and trials. You guys were not married.
We've never got married.
You never got married.
I just engaged there. I should do something.
Oh, okay. Oh, until who tuning in and now worry. Oh shit. Broche the old bear so worry. Until the Belinda no one shut down one and about the Baba Broche and Crata, it's never so yen so warano.
That is when.
Hey, Her Royal Majesty. And Tronyo.
She's claiming to be who?
She's claiming to be a rich girl. What's yes or was Sika? And I'm here.
The Diamico Fire every year.
No more dining a towel dying. Blood of Jesus. She's claiming so yes, you can even me here, Nibana Meno. Just say, Menenam fem and hey, His Royal Majesty.
Because if I disgrace her, I disgrace my children.
I beg, forget. Nobody knows your children. Nobody asked her to come on that app to talk about my business. And this is the reason I started the matter today. This is the reason I started the matter today. And I'm fresh on me. I text Shome and I told her send me here number. Because how can you come and tell me say what worry Nyama? And I need to tantra me I better viala my back as a husband snatcher. Sana Belinda Nyama Crown Waro. Hey, Mommy, His Royal Majesty. As I'm not critical. Nyama, thank you.
Be on TikTok or say a friend of His Royal Majesty.
Your friend is Royal Majesty. Do you the buyer? No, Nyama, do you the buyer? No, so I warren none and it's a tantra on him. And I may Alberta Viala. I'll say Betty minimum, so ya shawani, minimum, who I'm both you. Or say app no so no say.
Baby, I know I worry. Baby, I know. I know that's our problem. And baby, I know
I worry. Blood of Jesus. Prostitution is not a good thing. His Royal Majesty. Prostitution is not a good thing. Or say, or better than say, yo, Betty minimo, who to kiss do bashawo, minimo create a tantra hills, and now baby fear now snatching my husband. Now she wasn't able to say Nyama, so I didn't know who it was until this morning when someone sent me her picture and I say, oh, damn. Now my little whore.
They sent you my picture.
Someone sent me her picture because I didn't know who it was.
Okay.
When she was stating, said, my baby fear, my baby no, I worry or tantra hills, Nikunu or tantra hills, then get practically a dime papa. And I say, mammy, so cut me, I'm a sister Fiona. Me patron, what you why are you lying? Sana Ukrawa, I know, then a babu chin, I'm here to say, I said, the baby makes me a man because no, I didn't know.
No, we engaged. We got engaged.
That was when you were bringing her after she's had 2 babies, popped out two babies for you.